Welcome to Class 28 Summary and Review. And as you can see here, we learned about the simultaneous suffix. Now this suffix is very fascinating, and I only got into the kind of the tip of the iceberg on this class. So let's kind of learn a little bit about it. First, let's check out this sentence. Uqatsa'ana. Uqatsa'ana. This can be translated when you were a girl. Or we might place girl with boy and say uqanatsi'ina, which means when you were a boy. So let's kind of break this down a little bit more to understand it. The template or the construction is what you see here. Uqa blank na. This can mean when you were blank or when you are blank. Now you might be asking yourself, I know the word for when is hanano. So why don't I see this in this sentence? Well, the answer is just simply that Numu is not English. So when you're learning a new language like Numu, you need to remember, just keep in mind that you can't expect every word that you would expect in English to be the same in Numu, okay? So it is different. So let's just break this down so we can better understand it. We know is the singular form you. Now when this word ka follows like it does here, it's telling us that what follows after is going to tell us something additional about you. Okay, so all of this part right here, the blank and the na, is giving us additional information about you. Okay, now this suffix na, that is the simultaneous suffix. It can be translated as or when, just like the examples I just gave you, when you were a girl or when you were a boy. It can also be translated if or even since. So if you are blank or since you are blank. But in this class, we're just going to focus on the as or the when. Okay, not only can we fill this blank with nouns like I just showed you, but we can also fill it in with verbs. Here's a new verb as an example. Pagwigya. Pagwigya means to go fishing. So the sentence ka pagwigyana means when you're fishing. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, this is a simultaneous suffix that we're talking about, so what is simultaneously happening here? Well, that's a great question. This is an incomplete sentence. We do want to have something else added to it. So in this class, I added a question to it, which is himasakwana ugya. Himasakwana ugya. This means, what should I give you? Okay, hima, we've learned many times before, can mean what, but it's referring to something tangible, physical, an object you can hold. Sakwa, sakwa means should. We know ne means I. Means you. Getting all my slides messed up. This final word, gya, is the verb give. So himasakwanegya. What should I give you? Okay. Altogether, when you are fishing, what should I give you? And so you can sense how these actions might occur simultaneously. When you're fishing, at that time when you're fishing, what should I give you? They're occurring simultaneously. So to answer this question, you would say sakwa blank igya. Sakwa, you should blank. That's whatever I need to give. And means me. Is me. Gya, give. So igya, give me. Sakwa blank igya. You should give me blank. So for the rest of this class, everything I did, I answered when asking these questions, it was based off of images that you see on the screen, such as what you see here. And a lot of it was review from everything we've learned, even from the spring semester. But even if you never learned these words, just having the images on here, I hoped was helpful to know what the words meant. So in this case, you see this little girl, she has a bubble with water in her mind. And so basically she's thirsty, right? So I asked, kapudaina himasakwana ugya. Kapudaina means when you're thirsty. Pudai, thirsty, is a word we learned long ago. So kapudaina, when you're thirsty, himasakwana ugya. And then I asked one or other question. I said, Tonigya pudi pa, which means a flower or water. The word pudi means or. So tonigya, flower, pudi, or pa, water. A flower or water. Answer, usakwa pa igya. Usakwa pa igya. Used to give me water. Another question. Ukatyayaina himasakwana ugya. When you're hungry, what should I give you? To be pudi kamamid. A rock or rabbit meat. To be rock, pudi, or kamamid, rabbit meat. Answer, usakwa kamamid igya. Used to give me rabbit meat. Usakwa kamamid igya. Or another one that I asked, namahanina himasakwana ugya. When you're getting dressed, what should I give you? Umoko pudi usaru. Your shoes or your dog? Answer, usakwa imoko igya. You should give me my shoes. Another question I asked, ka uzutsuna himasakwana ugya. When it's cold, what should I give you? Ugud pudi tuzikuhuno. Your coat or a fork? Answer, usakwa igud igya. You should give me my coat. All right, another question. Kamididkana himasakwana ugya. When you're eating meat, what should I give you? Tida pudi wihi. A cup or a knife? Answer, usakwa wihi igya. You should give me a knife. All right, I also started asking the question in the negative. What should I not give you? And you would answer based off of what I should not give you. So for example, in this case, if I said, when your head is hurting, what should I not give you? Or kai ugya, not give you. Natuzua pudi padua, medicine or a bear. So in this case, if your head is hurting, what should I not give you? Answer, usakwa kai padua igya. You should not give me a bear. All right, let's see one other question. When you're going to the bathroom, what should I not give you? Kuidamatsuanu pudi sanakaupa. Toilet paper or a tire? Answer, usakwa kai sanakaupa igya. You should not give me a tire. All right, then. Again, to kind of see the full class and see all the different examples I asked, check out the full class on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, until next time, mubunidwa. See you all later.